Part 2, checking out the Sensei on the Kilowatt. Well, good evening, YouTube. Here with you on this Thursday evening. It's 7:05 in the evening. I'm continuing my work with the Kilowatt. As you can see, I think I have a little bit better setup now on the camera where it's fairly level. So that is the Kilowatt plugged into the dim bulb tester with no electricity flowing. In other words, the radio, let me show you this. You see that's the cord for the radio. This is the Sensei Japanese radio. I don't have it back in the case, but I do have it together enough to use it. And I did attach the speaker and resolder that on and everything like that. So it's getting pretty close to be putting back into the cabinet, but I just want to do this little test real quick. So like I said, this is what it's going to look like when we flip the switch, and that's the voltage now on the line without the radio on. And as soon as we connect the line to it, or the radio, turn the radio on, you should see that drop. And I'll kind of monitor the light bulb. And let's go. So here goes the radio on. Light bulb is fairly bright. It's dimming down. It is, you can see the voltage. It went down pretty low. Now it's come back up a little bit. You should hear the radio come on here very shortly. Once the tubes start conducting, it will go back down again. See, there it goes. It goes down. You can hear the radio now. Not a very good sound, but it's at least it is playing.
It's hard to have winning streaks because of the parity in the NFL. You remember 2009?
This is AM, by the way.
Now,
the following program does not necessarily reflect the views or opinions of the staff and management of iHeartMedia and Youth Radio.
So the bulb is a dim glow right now, just like I showed you in that illustration. It's just a real dim glow. And don't forget, this is the 40 watt bulb. Let's see what kind of amperage we're doing and stuff like that. There's our power factor, 96.96 I should say. Frequency is 60. Our VA 14.2. Straight watts is 17 or 13.7. And the amperage is 160 milliamps. So there you go. That's what it's going basically through that bulb. That's where the limit comes in. So like I say, I'm going to flip the bypass switch. Let's get back to voltage here. And oops, wrong one.
Show him some love and show Kimmett some love and overwhelm him this weekend. 1993.
There we go. Now we're on 85. So here I'm going to flip the switch, and the bulb will go out and the voltage will come up. Voltage, or the bulb's out, and you hear the radio getting louder. And there's our line voltage now. And so that all works rather well. And I was just curious to see what this would draw.
Cable shows and personalities have been launched around flipping, which is great, but what if you're a buyer? If you're a buyer in the home you're considering buying, the
2018 Chevy Silverado. Drive the extra 20 to save plenty.
Alright, well there we go. We're all the way up to the thing now. That's the long and the short of it. So if we put the dim bulb back in circuit, you see the bulb comes back on dimly. The radio is at 84.1 now, it looks like. I'm wondering how the amperage is changed with this dim bulb setting in that, because let's try that and see. Let's go right directly to the amps and let's flip the switch and see what happens. Oh yeah, now we're at 260 milliamps. Quite a gain there. So that light bulb does detract from the amperage and the voltage a good bit when they are in circuit like that. So that's pretty much a look at it. This one won't be obviously as long as the other one was, but no sense in doing AM and FM. I mean, FM works. We done tried the FM, and like I said, this is just a quick one. You guys have a pleasant evening. Thanks you so much for watching, and we will see you